Well, bless your heart, have you seen what a dozen eggs cost these days? It's not just your imagination, sweetie. Egg prices have jumped significantly lately, with a dozen large eggs costing between $4.17 and $5.99 in Des Moines, Iowa. The culprit? Bird flu. About 40 million egg-laying hens were lost to highly pathogenic avian influenza in 2024. This winter outbreak is unusual and extra disruptive. Combine that with the holiday demand and you've got a recipe for high prices. Egg farmers are doing their best to replenish their flocks while keeping them healthy. They're price takers, not price makers, meaning they can't control these soaring prices. Some folks are turning to local farms to find their eggs. So if you see your neighbors selling eggs, you might want to give them a try. For more details, check the first comment below. Stay informed and stay egg-cellent.